everyone! Welcome back to our channel. At iiwan muna natin ang Angeles City to feature this 4-bedroom modern luxury home located in a secure subdivision in the city of San Fernando, Pampanga. Kaya if you are looking for a property in this location, this property is for you. Join us for another house tour, but please don't forget to click like, subscribe, and hit the bell button to get more updates on our videos. This is Rosanna, and we're Blueprint Properties, Pampanga. And let's begin sa ating facade. Our lot area is 261 square meters at ang ating floor area ay 385 square meters na floor area. Sa facade natin, mapapansin nyo yung kanyang design. Meron tayong mga wall cladding dyan na nagbibigay ng elegant feature. Pag nakita mo pa lang sa labas yung property natin. Very modern pa rin naman yung dating niya because, ayan, yung ating automated gate. This is an automated gate. So automatic po yan. And it's spacious. You have a massive or you have a spacious 2-car carport. At ang ating wall accent here, you have a wire mesh with stones. Ang ganda, no? Hindi lang siya just a fence, but wire mesh with stones. Simple landscaping. And then you have, I don't know what you call this, pero these are stones na parang mosaic style siya. So pinagdikit-dikit nila para magkaroon ng kakaibang finish yung pag-akyat mo or pag-elevate mo doon sa papasok mo ng porch mo. Pasok na tayo sa porch natin. And mapapansin nyo, wide ang ating service gate and wide din ang ating porch. From here going there, mauna na tayo dito. Fully covered 2-car carport. This is your automatic gate. Fully covered at may mga spotlights tayo dyan. This side goes to the back of the property where your dirty kitchen, laundry area is located. But itong part na to, this can also be your garden or your drying area or your dry area. Ang ganda lang niya kasi irregular shape yung mga stones na aapakan natin. No? Not the usual pathway na diretso lang, same yung design. But this one, look, irregular shape siya. And very spacious pa. So you can add more plants if you want to add more plants dito. Mamaya ko na papakita doon. Now this is a storage door. Yan, so you have your storage here. Para sa mga gamit mo sa sasakyan, para hindi siya sa harap makalat, hindi siya sa side. So perfect yung kanyang kung saan naka-place yung iyong storage area. When you look at the property sa wall pa lang, wala kang makikitang basta, we have plain painted walls, but most are with materials. So may tiles tayo sa natin, sa wall natin. Even this side, may accent wall ka, rough finish, rustic, cement finish yung wall natin. You have socket there. And from here, makikita mo yung ating glass dahil puro glass po ang ating bahay ngayon, ang ating property. Look at how spacious your porch is. Itong part na to, isa to sa paborito ko. We have a simple garden here. And dito sa side na to, ang ganda yung tignan. Look, ganyan lang. Ang ganda, right? Yung ilaw, yung wall cladding mo na may mga stone veneer. Very classy, very cozy. And this goes again, dun sa likod ng iyong property. Pasok na tayo. Ang luwang, nakita niyo ba? Sobrang, kahit nagtatakbuhan pa yung mga bata, ganun kaluwang. You have a massive door. At pivot yung natin, yung door natin. Hindi siya hinges. So, kapag pivot yung door, okay, you have a smart lock, fingerprint, card, and you have a camera. So, kapag pivot ang door natin, pwede mo siyang buksan ng palabas. Pwede mo rin siyang buksan ng paloob. There. Kaya hindi ka mahihirapan pag nagpasok ka ng mga furniture, lalo na open layout 'to, wala siyang kasamang furniture. So you can choose yung mga furniture na gusto mo at yung design na gusto mo sa or yung interior, design na gusto mo sa iyong property. Let's go. This is your living area. You have a view. Ang ganda nung mga ano natin 'no, yung mga glass window natin. You have a view of your parking area dito. If you are someone who likes bright, bright home, yung some kasi they like yung mga naka sobrang dim or gusto nila yung naka ano ba tawag, blackout curtains. Kung ikaw naman ang gusto mo bright, well, this is perfect for you because sa mga glass windows natin. Look at that. This is your living area. And ito ang aking paborito, ang yung indoor garden. You have an indoor garden. Aside from aesthetic, sa health, perfect din yan, ang mga indoor plants. So you can add more plants dito. But as it is, very pretty na siya. High ceiling, open to below. So from the second floor, meron kang view ng yung garden. At nakakatulong pa dahil glass dito. So nakakatanggap sila ng ample sunlight for their growth. Ang ganda. Next to your indoor garden, this is your dining area with a touch of industrial chandelier. Spacious, kasha ang 10-seater na dining set. Pwede pang round table if you want round table. And if you want to extend your dining area, pwede mong buksan dito ang iyong lanai with a view of your wall cladding. Ang ganda ng wall cladding, no? May mga stones. And then pag tinamaan ng ilaw, very classy. So nice. Pwede kang mag-mount dito ng TV. Dun sa may living area natin, I'm not sure if I've shown you yung TV console natin. But you can mount your TV there. Kung pwede ka rin mag-mount ng TV dito, because some wants na yung TV sa may bandang dining area. So pwede ka maglagay ng TV dyan, may mga socket ka na. This is your kitchen, your formal kitchen. Provision for your side-by-side refrigerator or double door refrigerator. Cabinets. So nice. Your breakfast nook, a waterfall type countertop. Meaning po diretso. You can add stools there. May socket ka dito. Ang cute ng yung drop light. Cute naman itong drop light na to. Mapapansin nyo, spacious din siya. Hindi siya makipot. So you can, you can serve food here. Pwede ka mag-breakfast dyan habang nape-prepare ka ng food dyan. Ito pa, meron ka mga modular cabinets. Tapos meron yung mga see-through cabinets lang tayo dyan so you can see kung ano yung mga nasa loob. Isa to sa paborito ko talaga. Nung nakita ko to, wow! You have your half-moon-shaped pull-out corner na maximize yung space natin sa corner or some call it carousel. Yung mga ganito. This is so thoughtful of the builder na hindi mo na parang pag lumipat ka, naka-ready na siya. For me, parang it's a highlight para sa akin, lalo na sa mga mahilig magluto, very organized sa ating kitchen. And your modern design sink. Your modern design sink. Meron ka pang glass rinser dyan, meron kang for your dispenser. Ayoko sindihan. Also, this property has a centralized water or centralized hot and cold system or water heater system which is solar powered. So, lahat ng tubig na lalabas dito sa ating property, hot and cold na sila. Dahil centralized nga. And then, solar powered pa siya. Cutlery drawer. Grabe ang thoughtful talaga sa builder ng mga pull-out na ganyan. Of course, your stove and your range hood included then. Another pull-out for your condiments. Then dito rin. You also have here wire baskets for your dish. Look at that. Ang ganda. Sobrang neat, sobrang organized. At syempre, dahil Pinoy tayo, kung meron tayong formal kitchen, meron din tayong dirty kitchen which is located here. This is your dirty kitchen. Look at your dirty kitchen. Ang dirty kitchen natin, pareho sila ng sink ng ating formal kitchen. A modern design sink with glass rinser and ayan, may iba't ibang faucet tayo dyan. These are included. Check natin yung mga, hindi ko to na-check kanina eh. So, tignan natin. Yes, we still have pull-out pa rin. Shout out po sa builder and seller. Ang ganda po ng mga pull-out natin. Cutlery, drawer. Oh, diba? After mo like, pag alam mo pag nag-segregate ka ng mga tira-tirang food, in some you want it, pagbukas mo, diretso na siya dyan. Dito mo na ilalagay. Para hindi kalat-kalat. Ang ganda. These are small things, but ang lakas ng impact kapag nakatira na kayo. This one too. You have a pantry. Tignan mo yung pantry. Ay, meron ka palang full body mirror dito. Your pantry, look. Hindi lang siya basta pantry na may mga shelves. May mga drawers ka na, aesthetic pa. Na-maximize yung space. Look. Kasyang-kasya. And then, when you close the door, meron kang full body mirror. Ito yung pinakita ko kanina. This side, yan yung mga steps kanina na may irregular shape na mga stones. Here naman, dito yung ating laundry area. Look at your laundry area. Even your sink is modern. Your sink is not just ordinary sink. Tapos may drainer pa siya. Let's look at the cabinets. Na-excite ako sa mga cabinets. Pinili ko lahat may pull out. Ang spacious niya dito. Pwede ka maglagay ng dryer. Kahit 3 washing machine kasya. And dito ang ating staff corner or your staff room. Single bed or double deck na single. Kasya, pwede ka pa maglagay ng cabinet. At of course, meron silang sarili nilang bathroom. With sink, mirror, of course, toilet at shower area. At hindi siya masikip. Maluwang po ang ating staff rooms, bathroom. At meron silang privacy, of course. Kasi nasa labas siya ng nasa labas siya ng bahay. And then, yung ating artificial grass, kung mapapansin nyo, we have artificial grass dito siya doon. These are low maintenance. And, ang linis-linis lang niya talagang tignan. Alright, saan tayo papasok? Balik tayo sa ating kitchen. Ang luwang nung some kasi parang saktuhan ka lang pag sa likod. Pero this one, tignan mo. Pwede kayong maramihan dito. Like, pag may gathering kayo, nagluluto kayo, marami kayo, hindi kayo magbabanggaan. Bago tayo umakyat, hala, ang ganda. Bumaba na kasi yung araw. Kanina kasi, may sobrang liwanag dito. Kung gano'n nga yung nais ninyo. Yung gusto ninyo sa bahay, yung talagang maliwanag sa loob. Sobrang liwanag talaga kanina. Pinababa lang namin para mas ma-appreciate niyo yung ating video. Look at your accent here. Look at your indoor garden. Bago tayo umakyat, meron tayong bedroom sa ating ground floor. Guest room. There. And then, kung halimbawa, pwede na kayong tumanda sa property na to. Kung dati nasa taas kayo, gusto niyo sa baba, pwede rin kayo dito. You have built-in cabinet. Very nice. Ang laki ng drawer natin. Gosh, alam mo yung kasya yung mga bags. Because some, ayaw nilang nakalabas yung mga bags, yung mga panglalaking bags. Diba gusto nyo nakapasok? Perfect dyan. Wide window. Your accent wall. Very cute. Pwede ka dito mo yung mamount yung TV mo. And of course, may socket ka dyan. Queen size bed ka siya, pero kung gusto mong mas maluwang, twin bed or your family size na bed yun. Aircon is included. You also have your study area. I would say this is a study area kasi para may socket ka for your computer. This is perfect. Pero if you want this to be your vanity area, pwede rin naman. Depende sa iyong pangangailangan. Next to it, you have your common bathroom. Wow! Ang ganda! Ang luwang! Ang laki din ng iyong sink. Oh, ang ganda ng ilaw. Sindihan natin. Yan. So cute. Meron ka ring cabinet dito. And there you go. Look at your shower set. Ang sleek, ang neat niyang tignan kasi walang mga butas for your water heater because centralized water heating system na nga tayo. Very nice. You have your rain shower, your hand shower, and your spray. This is an enclosed shower area. Pero hindi siya nakaka-suffocate kasi maluwang at kahit na mataas siya, maluwang kasi sa loob. Even yung niche mo, hindi siya yung masikip na saktuhan lang. Very nice. Floor-to-ceiling tiles. Of course, meron ka pang accent wall dito. That is very pretty. Next, you have your open stringer na stairwell. Tignan mo naman. Dito na lang ngayon, dilagyan pa ng design, di ba? Ang ganda. Some kasi painted na lang yan pero this one may design tayo. Pwede ka maglagay ng additional plants or this can be your for baby's corner. Since yung design ng property is more of the bright, airy, ang perfect na open stringer kasi more on parang mas nagpapass through yung airflow. Alright, akyat na tayo at kung mapapansin nyo, maluwang po ang ating kasya po ang dalawa kahit sabay pa kayong umakyat at bumaba. Hindi po kayo magbabanggaan. And I just want you to appreciate your large window or your big window dyan. Ang laki at ang iyong pretty chandelier. Let's go. Spacious landing. At ang iyong malaking window. Pwede mo yang lagyan ng curtain if you want. If you want na naka-open lang siyang ganyan, pwede rin naman. Aakyat tayo. To my right. Tignan niyo naman yung iyong view here. High ceiling with elegant chandelier. The first door here goes to your first bedroom. Look at yung floor, yung ano natin, yung ating wood planks. Ang ganda talaga sa room na wood planks na ganyang color, no? Hindi ko alam kung ako lang. Pero feel na feel mo yung kwarto, feel na feel mo yung coziness ng isang room sa ganitong klaseng mga wood planks. Spacious room. Pwede po ang king size bed. Pwede rin ang queen size bed. Pwede rin ang double bed. Depende po sa inyong gusto. Pwede kang mag-add ng dresser or vanity mirror. Pwede rin. This is where you will mount your TV. Meron kang spotlights dyan para just in case you want to put, aside from your TV, pwede TV, pwedeng painting. Yan, pwede ka maglagay dyan. Wala kayong nakitang built-in cabinet kasi meron siyang walk-in closet. You have a walk-in closet. And it has an ensuite toilet and bath. Same design. Ang ganda ng ating sink here. Enclosed shower area din siya. Floor-to-ceiling tiles, of course. At ang iyong napakagandang stainless steel shower set. Enclosed shower area. So this is your first bedroom sa iyong second floor. Lipat na tayo. That's your first bedroom. And this is your family. Ang massive ng space natin. Look at that. Ang na-visualize ko, ang ganda no kapag open layout siya. Depende talaga sa'yo kung ano ang gusto mong ilagay. So like for this one, this is your family area. Pwede ka maglagay ng sofa dito. And of course, TV dito. Pwede ka maglagay. You have your TV console dito. May mga drawers ka dyan. And yung side na yan, this side, meron ka pang another space here. Pwede mo siyang gawing gym area. You can put your treadmill here, di ba? Or play area. Pwede ka maglagay ng pool or play area ng mga bata. Habang nanonood ka, dito sila, naglalaro sila, di ba? And of course, isa to sa mga paborito ko, yung jalousie. Like for example, halimbawa, papalinis ka ng aircon, syempre nakapatay yan. Hindi ka mainitan kasi pag inopen mo yan, yung buong space na yan nakabukas. So yung ang hangin, yung pagpasok ng hangin, dire-diretso lang. So nice. And then you have a view of your indoor garden. Meron kang balcony. Tapos may wood clad. Ang ganda ng mga wood cladding nila. This can be your balcony, pwede ka maglagay ng chair dyan, or this can also be just a view deck. Pag gusto mo lang magpahangin, pwede ka. Look at the wall cladding. These are stones na pinagdikit-dikit. Tapos, kung mapapansin nyo, of course, meron na yung wall, no? May semento na siya. Pero linagyan ng design para magkaroon siya ng accent. Nakitang-kita sa labas. Kung naaalala niyo yung intro natin, kitang-kita talaga yan. At ang ganda-ganda niya lalo na, pakita natin sa mga videos. Yan. Pasok videos. Ayan, meron tayong mga ilaw. At ang ganda ng tama ng ilaw sa mga stones na yan. Another room, just by your family area. Spacious din siya, guys. Oh, yung jealousy. And then, oh, you have your own balcony dito sa isang room. Let's open. You have your balcony. Oh, look at that. Oh, intimate ano siya. Like if this is your room, tapos gusto mo magpahangin, pwede ka maglagay. Kita nyo ba? Pwede ka maglagay ng couch dito. Yung mga rattan swing. Or if you want na mas, kung ako ha, personally, ang ganda niyang lagyan ng artificial grass. Tapos meron ka lang parang rattan swing or rattan chair. Ito ba yung gustong-gusto ko? Yung mga bedrooms natin sa second floor, lahat sila may walk-in closet at ensuite toilet and bath. So this is your walk-in closet at ang iyong ensuite toilet and bath. Same design at same size din siya. Enclosed shower area din. So meron tayong 3 bedrooms sa second floor. Punta na tayo sa ating master bedroom. Pag akyat mo, yun yung una mong to your left, yun yung una mong bedroom na mapupuntahan. This is your master bedroom. And it's really a massive room. King size bed. Pwede ka pa nga maglagay ng couch or another single bed kung gusto mo. You have, so this is where you're gonna put your bed. King size, kasya dyan. You have hanging side lamps at meron kang spotlights or track lights. That fan is so cute. Tignan mo naman siya. And of course, a floor to ceiling na window. You can open this. May bris chalet ka rin para hindi diretso hindi agad tatama yung pasok ng araw sa yung room. Yung bris chalet na yan, hindi lang yan for aesthetic. But also, that is, that helps sa init ng araw. May spotlights, of course, the aircon is included. Ang laki ng aircon mo. Look at that. Ang laki. Kasi naman, kung yung dalawang rooms natin, meron silang built-in cabinet. Siyempre may built-in cabinet din yung ating. Wow! Ang ganda! Hindi kasi ako pumasok dito kanina. Look at your built-in cabinet. Your walk-in closet. Ang ganda, ang luwang. Ang dami mong malalagay, pero sa gitna, maluwang pa. So, pwede ka pa maglagay dito ng upuan. Or, wala lang, mas madali lang magbihis. Look at that. Ito yung vanity mirror. I have light here. Oops, ayun pala yung ilaw natin. Ang ganda, ang dami-daming drawer. Ang daming lagyanan. So pretty naman. Hindi ako nakapag-picture dito. Ang ganda. Your walk-in closet. And then, of course, your master's bathroom. Look at your shower area. Oh, modern design. At ang luwang and closed shower area. Look at that. Sliding. Ganda, no? And you have a dual vessel type sink. Very classy pa yung design niya. Tigisa kayo ng mirror, may socket tayo dyan. Some call it dual sink, some call it his and hers. So perfect yan. Para hindi kayo nag-aagawan sa sink. And you have dahil nakita ko to, that means you have a smart toilet. Tingnan natin. Naka-on kaya siya? Uy, naka-on siya. Did you see that? That is your smart toilet. Very nice. Meron siyang remote dito. So usually, I think this one nakadikit siya doon. But as this, pwede rin namang nandito siya. Tapos ang ganda ng space niya kasi parang pwedeng habang may gumagamit ng toilet, pero naliligo. At hindi siya basta-basta nababasa. Hindi nababasa dito sa iyong bathroom. Drawers. So nice. May nakita pa akong hindi ko napakita sa inyo. This one. Meron kang indoor balcony. You have your indoor balcony which has a view of your indoor garden. Kung feel mo lang magstay dito lang, you can add a couch, chair, coffee table. Pwede kang dito. You have a view dun sa labas. Pwede kang dito mag-breakfast. Perfect, but still, intimate pa rin siya and very cozy yung ating space. Well, that's it. Uy, I haven't shown this pa pala. You have this here. Ganyan kaluwang yung ating master's bedroom. So aside from your, this one can be like, what do you call this? A console. Pwede ka maglagay dito ng plants, or you can put your keys here pag papasok ka. Books, pwede rin. Alright? Balik na tayo sa ating ground floor para sa ating recap. And for our recap, this is a 4-bedroom luxury home located in a secured subdivision here sa city of San Fernando, Pampanga. Highlights of the property, halata naman guys. Ang ganda-ganda sa loob. You have your indoor garden. I love yung aside from the aesthetic ng indoor garden natin, yung benefits niya sa health, because you have oxygen inside your property. And then, yung open layout natin, so you can design it as you wish. Kayo mamimili ng mga furniture nyo, nasa inyong vibe kung how will you design or decorate your property. Ang maganda sa kanya, yung colors niya or your color palette niya, it's neutral, kaya mas madali kayong mag-mix and match na mga colors. What else? I like the architectural design. Nakita niyo yung sa labas. It's not the usual, parang diretso lang na mga designs, very na straightforward lang. Meron tayong mga wall claddings. Look at your wall claddings. Gustong-gusto ko dito sa may lanay natin because of the wall claddings. Ang ganda kasing tignan with yung mga ilaw natin. Napansin nyo kanina yung difference sa intro natin at dito sa ating outro. Ang ganda-gandang tignan ng ating mga ilaw, lalo na kapag dumilim. Look at that. Very nice. Gusto ko yung pwede mo ikutin yung property. Of course, yung automated gate natin, spacious siya. And you have your bedroom sa ground floor. Pwede ka lang tumanda dito sa property na to. What else? Yung mga rooms natin sa second floor, lahat po sila with ensuite toilet and bath. You have a spacious family area. And of course, yung iyong very pretty na walk-in closet sa iyong master's bedroom. Ayan. Sa mga viewers po natin, ano pa ang nagustuhan nyo dito sa ating property? Just comment lang po sa ating comment below para po mabasa din ng ating builder. Oh, one more thing. I love yung mga pull-out. Diba? Sa mga moms dyan, sobrang thoughtful at sobrang laking tulong ng mga yun. This may seem to be like little things. Parang cabinet lang naman yan. May organ, pwede ka naman maglagay. But kapag ginawa kasi siya and then it was made, parang talagang doon na siya nakalagay. Hindi siya basta-basta masisira. Hindi mo kailangan kasi pag halimbawa maglalagay ka, di ba may mga sisirain ka pang part ng cabinet. But this one, naka-fix na siya. At very useful nga naman yung carousel natin, yung ating pull-out, meron tayong trash bin, meron tayong cutlery drawer, at maluwang ang ating kitchen and also your pantry. Yung iyong dirty kitchen, next to it is your pantry na maraming kang mailalagay sa iyong pantry. Ayun. So if you're interested, you can message us on Facebook para sa iyong tripping, and if you want to purchase the property, message nyo lang po kami. Our Facebook page is Blueprint Properties Pampanga. You can also message us on Instagram, Blueprint Properties Pampanga. Follow us on TikTok for sure. Nakita nyo na ang mga reels natin sa Facebook at sa YouTube. TikTok, makita nyo na mga short clips natin dyan and reels ng ating property before pa ma-publish ang ating full video. You can also follow me on TikTok and Instagram and lalo to book your shippings. And sa mga wala pong social media, meron po tayong iba't ibang messaging platforms. We have our numbers there, our email addresses, or ang email address namin. We also have WhatsApp and Viber. I think sa UAE mas nagagamit nila yung WhatsApp, and sa US we also have our Viber. Pwede nyo rin kaming email, kaya message us if you are interested. Huwag na kayo maghintay. Call us now. Message us on our messaging platform. And that's it. Maraming salamat po. If you like the property or if you like this house tour, please don't forget to click like, subscribe, and hit the bell button to get more updates on our videos. This is your host, Anna, and we're Blueprint Properties Pampanga, where your house